If you want to start a USA-based YouTube channel and don't know where to start, this is the video for you. In today's video, I'll show you step by step how to start a USA-based YouTube channel in very little time and start making money. Make sure to watch till the end, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tips. Step 1. Open HitPaw Edimakor. Before moving on to the video, you'll need one tool used in this video. HitPaw Edimakor. You will need it from writing a video script to editing the video. If you haven't downloaded it yet, you can download it by clicking the link in the description below. Now, let's move on to the next step. Step 2. Write a video script. You may say that your English is not so good, but how I can write an eye-catching English video script? Don't worry, with the help of AI, we don't need to start learning English from the beginning. Let me show you how we do this. Open HitPaw Edimakor and click AI Copywriting. This will open a new panel. Here you can simply type your needs and let AI write the video script for you. It can write movies and TV commercials, relations, cooking tutorials, life stories, and travel guides. Or you can click Custom Input and let AI write anything you need. Now copy the script and close this panel. Step 3. AI Video Generator. Click AI Video Generator. Here we have two options. One is idea to video, and the other is script to video. Idea to video allows you to generate a video from a single idea. Script to video can generate a video based on your video script. We have generated a video script, so we use the script to video. Paste the script here. Now let's add media. Here you can import your video or use AI to auto-pick. The materials picked by AI are all copyright free. Now click Generate a Video. Step 4. Add AI voice to it. The great thing about Edimakor is that it has many AI voiceovers for you to choose from, and the quality of those AI voices is very good. You can select it by its language, accent, use case, gender, and age.
Hello, let my voice add more color and warmth to your words.
Hello, let my voice add more color and warmth to your words.
Hello, let my voice add more color and warmth to your words.
After you find the voice you like, click Confirm. Now click Advanced Edit. Step 5. AI Avatar. If you want to make an engaging video, but don't want to show your face, then a realistic AI avatar is what you need. Click AI Avatar. You can see here we have many avatars for you to choose from. Since this is a USA channel, so we need to choose a high quality and good-looking avatar. I think this one is good. Now I just paste my script here, choose the same voiceover we used before, and click Generate. Or you can click Export and select Export as audio. Then click Local Audio and import the audio you just exported. Now the AI avatar has been generated successfully.
Hey there, science enthusiasts. Welcome back to Fun Science Facts. Today we're diving into the wacky world of slime. Yes, you heard that right. Slime.
You can place it in the video. This is the final result.
Hey there, science enthusiasts. Welcome back to Fun Science Facts. Today we're diving into the wacky world of slime. Yes, you heard that right. Slime.
Isn't that easy? If you think this video is helpful, please like and subscribe. If you have any questions, you can tell me in the comments section. See you in the next video.